Thanks for stopping by for another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be showing you Planything's newest collection, which drops today, May 20th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and don't forget to use my new code, Stephany10, so you guys can save money on your order. All of the information will be linked down in the description box below, but look at how beautiful it already looks. Like, I am really obsessed with this washi. I love the vibrant colors, and I love the different styles as well. And then we also get a new sticker book and some notepads as well. So let's go ahead and open all of this, do some flip throughs, some swatches, and then stay tuned for a plan with me after we're done looking at all of these items. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move these off to the side so they don't like roll away. Okay, so let's just quickly go over the cute little notepad because look at how adorable it is. I am loving the vibrant colors. I love the blues, these houses, and just the little small details. And of course, I love that it has lines, of course. So I am all about my lines. So yeah, I definitely love all of her notepads with the lines. And then there's actually a second notepad available with this collection, and I'll go ahead and pop it here on the screen. And look at how adorable this little ice cream truck is. Isn't it just so cute? I really love it. So yeah, I love having these around the house. They are just great to like grab and just jot something down. So they're definitely a must-have. So don't forget to pick these up while you pick up your sticker books and your washi tape as well. So let's go ahead and get into this sticker book. Don't forget that all of the artwork is drawn by Amber herself, right? So keep that in mind. And we're going to get 632 stickers, so 30 sticker sheets. So, oh my gosh. So I already love that this page matches the notepad. That's really cute. So yeah, I love that we're going to get 2 pages of each sticker sheet. And these are on clear matte sticker paper. So look at that ice cream truck from the little notepad. I love that. So all of the small little details, they are super adorable. Wow. I am always going to be impressed by her drawings. And look at these trees. These are so cute. I love some of the clusters that there are, the shapes, the sizes, everything about these. And then we're going to get some shapes as well. And then we're going to get 2 of these. So here we have some more houses and trees. I love when she does this like little cluster of houses and trees because yeah, she definitely did the hard work for us. So here we go, some more houses, and yeah, these are looking like they're more vibrant. So that's really pretty. Oh, more trees. They're different sizes and different colors and different clusters, and yeah. So I can't wait to actually start planning in this. So let's hurry up because I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, I love that Shein does include like shapes with these. And oh my gosh, look at that beautiful and super adorable tree house. I cannot get over that. I love that. And then we're going to have some mountains like this little camper. I love this tree right here. And oh, look at that waterfall too. Oh my gosh, I almost missed it. But yeah, look at this because I could definitely just like stare at all of the details. I love this one too. And look, this one is already done for us. We have trees and houses and mountains and just all of the things. So again, 2 of those. Here are some more boxes. 2 again. And then here we have a little tiki bar. Wow, these are so cute. Look at that jungle jeep. Okay, I am actually loving these trees. Wow, look at that. I really like those. Oh my gosh, and look at that. We get some pages of these. Wow, these are really pretty. I am just like looking at all of the details, like the brush strokes, the tree trunk, the way they're curved, just everything about it is really, really pretty. And then we're going to get some boxes back here. Okay, and I think that's the whole sticker book. Yes, it is. So isn't this so pretty? I really like it. So now let me go ahead and swatch these washi tapes for you so we can start planning. All right, so here are all of the washi tapes. The first 4 rows are of the illustrations themselves. So I love that she turns her beautiful artwork into washi tapes. And then here we're going to have the grid washi here, and then the striped one over here. I am really loving all of these vibrant colors. Like, I cannot stop looking at this. I think they are so beautiful. I'm not usually a bright person, but I don't know what it is about these colors, but I really, really love them. So yeah, here they are all swatched out. So now what I want to do is go ahead and bring back the sticker book so we can get started. So I think that the pages that I'm going to use are going to be the first one. So we have like all of these like beach houses and like beach vibes going on, right? So yeah, I think this one is the one that I'm going to go with. Because yeah, there's definitely different themes around this sticker book like we just saw. So yeah, I don't know, I just loved like the beach little theme. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I am going to plan out the week of May 22nd through May 28th in my plan paper planner, and I actually use this one as my social media planner. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So as I was looking through these and as I was looking through the washi tapes, I am, of course, going to use the pink one. But instead of using the grid, I am actually going to use the stripes. I am really loving the stripes right now. So let's go ahead and grab that one, which is right over here. And I actually don't know if I want to do the top and the bottom in this pink one, or if I want to grab another color, because I'm thinking of maybe doing the blue one like at the bottom and maybe have that act like a like water. I don't know, because I could definitely use it up here to resemble like the sky and everything, but I do want to use both colors. So yeah, let's just wait and see how we feel about that. I think I'm gonna use my slicer over here just because it is a shorter piece. Okay, so I'm already loving the pink. I was gonna say yellow, but no, not yellow, the pink one. Yeah, this striped washi tape automatically caught my eye right away. I think it is just such a pretty design. So let's just trim this off here, and I did go ahead and cover up the headers here because it was not a color that is gonna go well with the spread. So I just went ahead and covered it with my sticker paper, and that way I can lay my washi tape over it, or else we'd be able to see that color peeking through. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see how we feel about the blue. Yeah, I think I like that. Pink and blue. Okay, so now let's find where this is at. And I'm gonna go ahead and start over here since it's already opened and good to go. Oh, actually the one was kind of on point. Oh my gosh, okay. So let's go ahead and flip this and let's add it over here. And then as far as the sidebar, I am going to alternate the colors that I use. So because I use the blue one down here, I'm going to use the pink one over there. And since I use the pink one on top, I am going to use the blue one over here. So I did cover up the header, which was this week. So I do have to add my headers back on. So I have a to-do header over here and a today header over here. So I do have to add those back on. Okay, so maybe let's go right there. And then let's just trim this one off as well. Okay, so already I am loving the way that this is looking. Even though we're using like 2 different colors, at least it's not 2 different prints. I think that would have definitely thrown me off guard. Okay, there's that. And there's this one. Okay, so there we go. Now we have all of the washi tape done and out of the way. And look at how that just like transformed everything. Yeah, that looks really pretty. So let's go ahead and get into the sticker book. So the first thing that I saw was like this house and this right here. So I think I called it a pier, but is it like a boardwalk? It's something. I just can't think of it right now, but let me just go ahead and grab this one because I'm thinking of placing it right down here. You guys, I just went over to hit stop recording because I am obviously done planning, but come to find out, I wasn't even recording. It says that my memory is full, and so I completely apologize for that. I know that we were just getting started with planning, and yeah, none of it got recorded. So now I know that next time I just need to be extra careful and make sure that I have enough memory to plan that specific video. So again, I apologize for that, but I did want to show you how the spread turned out and what I went ahead and did. So as far as the left-hand side, I went ahead and used the first 2 pages of this sticker book. And I think it turned out so pretty. I added some boxes here because these indicate the videos that I need to film for the week, because like I said, this is my social media planner. And so here are the boxes that I went ahead and used. And then as far as the left-hand side, I used the other pages here in the front as well. And of course, I went ahead and used these beautiful trees, and I kind of just sprinkled them all over the spread because yeah, I am completely obsessed with the trees in this sticker book. And again, I went ahead and used the boxes over here on the right hand page, and look at that little cute ice cream truck. I knew that I had to use it as soon as I saw it in that other notepad, but yeah, this is how it turned out. I think it looks so cute, so vibrant, so summery, and just all of the things. I really love the way that it turned out. So make sure that you guys check out Planything. Again, this does release May 20th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure that you guys use code Stephany10 so you guys can save 10% off of your order. I really love the way that this turned out. I love all the washi tapes from this collection. I think they're all so beautiful. Don't forget to pick up the notepads as well because they are just super functional and they are cute at the same time. So don't forget about the notepads, and of course make sure that you guys pick up the summer houses and trees sticker book, and I cannot wait to write in the spread. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.